Western Sydney is one of the fastest growing areas in all of Australia. We have this great opportunity to get it right.
So I'm here today at the Sensing the West Forum, hosted by the New South Wales Smart Sensing Network and Western Sydney University.
What we're trying to talk through today is sensors and how we work with industry, work with the researchers and work with the government to get the best outcome for the Western Sydney area, for that future community out there.
Smart sensing is a major part of that. The opportunities are way bigger if they get actually implemented. There is benefit to the community, the environment, the decarbonisation.
Sensors could be used to improve planning, improve service delivery, improve everything really. And ideally, if we do it right, it will achieve all of those objectives.
There's massive growth occurring across Western Sydney in greenfield locations. There's growth of about 50,000 dwellings occurring over the next 5 years. And we've also got major employment areas and centres that are being developed. So what we've got is a great opportunity to embed sensing and smart infrastructure in how we set up those new communities. But we're also really interested in how we reduce the ongoing life cycle maintenance and management costs for that infrastructure.
We know that Western Sydney is going to be quite hot into the future. We know that the best way to reduce urban heat is through water in the environment. So to be able to use those sensors to their ultimate, to produce that data that then helps you make the decisions, I think that's the opportunity.
We can use smart sensing to tell us about the current temperature, the current humidity, what we're projecting those changes to be in the very short term, and then we can influence that climate.
Sensing provides an opportunity to give us proxies and other information that we never had before about our social environment, and that by learning how we behave and how we interact, we can also then plan cities that are likely to make us happier and healthier as well.
Technology is out there. It's been out there for ages. It's really about how do we bring all of that existing technology together to actually get new outcomes.
The problem is that we don't necessarily have the right metrics, the simplification of that information, the way that it can be adopted by policy, by everyday developers. And so translating that data into meaningful frameworks that help us drive the outcomes that we want to see is one of the hurdles that we really need to overcome in this new data ecosystem.
Implementing solutions will never be the job of any one body. It does really take collaboration across industry, the three levels of government and academia or researchers to all agree that this is a good idea and let's work together, let's understand what we need to do to really get to the best solutions.
I think what we can see from today is everyone who's here is passionate about Western Sydney. What I'd really like to see from today is harnessing that passion, bring forward a few ideas for government so that we can help deliver the future that these people have seen together. Western Sydney can be a beacon for the rest of the world about how a smart city is built.